Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to update your phone type to Home on LinkedIn using your PC. This new update makes it simpler to manage your contact information, ensuring your profile accurately reflects your details. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see the Me icon, which represents your profile. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Now, focus on the Account Preferences section. Here, you'll find options to manage your profile information. Under Profile Information, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This section allows you to edit crucial details about yourself. After that, scroll down until you see the Contact Info section. Here's where you can make changes to your contact details. Click on Edit Contact Info. A pop-up window will appear displaying your current contact information. Look for the Phone Type bar. This is where you can specify the type of phone number you want to associate with your LinkedIn profile. In the Phone Type bar, select Home from the drop-down menu. This step is essential as it helps clarify which number is primarily for home use. Once you've made this selection, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the pop-up window. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your phone type to Home on LinkedIn using your PC. This small change can make a big difference in how potential employers or connections perceive your availability and professionalism. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to check back for more helpful tips on navigating LinkedIn and enhancing your professional presence online. Happy networking!